Welcome back to the Salesforce BA Hub podcast. In today's episode, we're going to talk about a fundamental concept in Salesforce Business Analysis: user stories. User stories are a simple yet powerful tool to capture requirements from the user's perspective. Let's start with the basics. What is a user story? In the simplest terms, a user story is a brief, informal description of a specific feature told from the perspective of the end user. It serves as a simplified description of a requirement. For example, if you're working on a Salesforce Sales Cloud implementation for a sales team, a user story might be, as a sales representative, I want to see a list of my leads on my dashboard, so I can easily follow up on them. The next key concept is understanding the structure of a user story. A user story typically follows a simple template. As a type of user, I want a goal, so that a reason. This structure keeps the focus on the user and their needs, which is crucial in Salesforce Business Analysis. In a real-world scenario, imagine you're a business analyst for a university using Salesforce Education Cloud. A user story might be, as an admissions officer, I want to track application progress in real time, so I can ensure timely responses of applicants. Lastly, let's discuss the importance of user stories in Salesforce implementations. User stories help ensure that the implemented Salesforce solution meets the user's needs and expectations. They provide a clear and concise way to communicate what the user wants to achieve, allowing the development team to design and build effective solutions. Consider a scenario where you're a business analyst working on a Salesforce Service Cloud implementation for a customer service center. User stories could range from, as a service agent, I want an automated case routing system, so I can prioritize my case handling, to, as a customer, I want to track my case status online, so I can stay updated. And that brings us to the end of this episode on user stories. As you prepare for your Salesforce Business Analyst certification exam, remember the power of user stories in capturing user requirements and guiding successful Salesforce implementations. We'll continue to explore more topics in the future episodes, so don't forget to subscribe and share this podcast with your Salesforce community. Until next time.